Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your brake light right here on this beautiful Ford F-150 2018, located on the upper part case of your tail light. Let's get started. Our first step is going to be opening up right here these two, loosening them up and removing them so that you can get access to your case. Make sure you have an 8mm wrench, and it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. We're going left. I find it easy when you loosen up both at the same time. All right, once you get them loose enough, here's one and here's the other one. Once you're done removing the screws here, it's an easy snap out, but you might want to use a Phillips just to kind of give it a little push, and then it snaps right out. There you go. You need to wear clean gloves before you get started. And our light is located on the upper part of this casing, our brake light that is. So switch it out and it's easy to just pull out. There you go. Once you removed it out, we are gonna upgrade this old halogen to LED made by AUXITO. Comes in a simple packaging. This is the AUXITO white. Now let's check these two baddies out and let's see which one's the beauty and which one's the beast. Gosh, look at that. Well, I see a beauty here, but she's gonna act like a beast too once I put it on. You'll see. Make sure that when you put it in, it's on the wide side and the wide side fits. Easily slide this in. Beautiful. And when you're putting this part, make sure it sinks right in just like the Titanic and twist to the right. And then you're ready to go. Pop this in and keep on trucking. And don't forget to put these back along with the lower one. Real tight, real fast, and you're done. Let's go. Congratulations on your new upgrade, and hopefully you chose AUXITO. Ditch the dim, go LED.